friends, welcome to Relief Tutorials. In the last lecture we have completed the whole theory of the chapter. These are some important formulae. Mirror formula 1 by V plus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. Magnification for mirrors is equals to H dash by H is equals to minus V by U, where H dash means image height, H object height. Refractive index of refracting medium with respect to incident medium, theta 21 is equals to sin theta 1 upon sin theta 2. It is the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to sine of angle of refraction, is equals to V1 by V2, speed of light in incident medium upon speed of light in refracting medium, is equals to eta 2, absolute refractive index of refracting medium upon absolute refractive index of incident medium. See, here is 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, and here is 2 by 1. Please be careful. Now, the formula is for absolute refractive index. Eta 1 is equals to C by V1 and eta 2 is C by V2 and so on. Lens formula 1 by V minus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. Magnification for lens H dash by H is equals to V by U. And lastly, the power of lens is 1 by F. Also, you can write focal length F is equals to 1 by P. Sometimes the power will be given to you in the numericals and you have to find focal length of that lens. Based on this is example number 10.3 from NCERT textbook. A concave lens. See, here the lens is concave. Has focal length 15 centimeter. As we know, the focal length is always negative in the concave lens. So focal length F is minus 15 centimeter. Question is, at what distance should the object from the lens to be placed? Again, at what distance should the object from the lens be placed? Means they are asking for object distance. U is our question. So that it forms an image at 10 centimeter. The image distance is given as 10 centimeter, and if you remember, in the concave lens, image is always obtained on the same side of object. So that V will be negative. So V means image distance is minus 10 centimeter. U is our question. And lastly, one more question is also find magnification. Also find magnification. So two questions are here, U and M. U you can find with the help of lens formula. Lens formula 1 by V minus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. Therefore, what is missing here? U is missing. So you can take this minus 1 by U on the right hand side and 1 by F on the left hand side. So you can write 1 by U is equals to 1 by V minus 1 by F, and now place the value. 1 by U is equals to 1 by V means 1 by minus 10. So you can write minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by F means 1 by minus 15 means minus 1 by 15. So minus minus plus 1 by 15. Okay, one more time. See, this minus sign is here in the formula. And now 1 by F means minus 1 by 15 like this. So what we can do? Minus minus plus. So it's plus 1 by 15. And therefore 1 by U is equals to LCM of 10 and 15 will be 30. So 10 3s are, so it's minus 3 here, and plus 15 2s are, so it's plus 2 here. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 by 30. So 1 by U is equals to minus 1 by 30. Take the reciprocal to both the sides. So finally we get U is equals to minus 30 centimeter. The object is placed at 30 centimeter from lens. So U we found. Now find the magnification. So using magnification formula, we can use here. M is equals to, see, h dash by h is equals to v by u, but the height of object is not used or not given. So whenever the height of object is not given, we should not take this ratio. So now magnification is equals to v by u. We have both this information. So m is equals to v by u, and therefore m is equals to v. Value of v minus 10 upon u is minus 30. 0 cancel, it is minus 1 by 3. So therefore we can say m is equals to minus 0.33. So this is the magnification. So this indicates that minus means here negative sign is not here. It is plus 0 point, is minus answered here. So it is plus 1 by 3. So plus indicates here the nature of image is virtual and erect, and 0.33 means the size of image is smaller than the object. So this is example number 10.3. Example number 10.4. A 2 centimeter tall object. 2 centimeter tall object. So here the height of object is given as 2 centimeter. This object is placed perpendicular to principal axis of convex lens. So here the lens is convex, having the focal length 10 centimeter. Focal length of convex lens is always positive, so it is 10 centimeter. The distance of the object from the lens is 15 centimeter. So object distance is given as 15 centimeter. Object distance is always negative, so it is minus 15 centimeter. Find nature, position and size of image. Because the size of object is given, you have to find the size of image as well as you have to find the magnification. Okay, so position of image means V to find it. Size of image means H dash to find it. So V, H dash and magnification. These are the three questions for us. U and F is given, so we can easily find V with the help of lens formula. One by V minus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. What is missing here? V is missing, so take this minus 1 by U to right hand side. So it will be 1 by V is equals to 1 by F plus 1 by U. Therefore 1 by V is equals to 1 by F means 1 by 10 plus 1 by U means 1 by minus 15. So it's minus 1 by 15. Here is plus, so plus minus 1 by 15. Therefore LCM of 10 and 15 again will be 30. 1 by V is equals to 10 3s are 15 2s are. 3 minus 2, 1. So 1 by V is 1 by 30. Take the reciprocal to both the sides. V is equals to 30 centimeter. So the image is formed at 30 centimeter distance from the lens, and because it is positive in the convex lens, positive distance means the image is on the other side of object will be real and inverted. One more thing, we have to find the height or the size of image. So using the relation H dash by H is equals to V by U from the magnification formula. So using magnification formula, H dash by H is equals to V by U. Therefore put the values. H dash is missing here, so H dash is equals to V into H by U. Therefore H dash is equals to V. Value of V we recently found 30. into h2 by u minus 15. 15 2s are 2 2s are 4 and 1 minus sign, so h dash is minus 4 centimeter. So again here minus sign in the h dash indicates the image is real and inverted. So we found the position, we found the size, and now let us find the magnification. So magnification formula m, we can use h dash by h also, or we can use v by u because we have all the informations. H dash by h dash is minus 4, h2. So m is equal to 2s are 4, so m is equal to minus 2. So magnification here is minus 2. Again from the answer we can say 2. Magnification is 2 means the size of image is 2 times larger than the object, and minus means real and inverted. So final answer we can write like this. Position of image can be described with the help of image distance, and that is 30 centimeter. So what we can write? 30 centimeter. Size of image means height of image is given as minus 4, so we can write simply minus 4 centimeter. And magnification is we found as minus 2. Complete answer. Exercise question number 11. A concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter. Concave lens and having the focal length 15 centimeter, so we can write focal length is minus 15 centimeter. Forms an image 10 centimeter from the lens. So the image distance is given as 10 centimeter, and because it is concave lens, image distance is also negative, minus 10 centimeter. So simple question is, how far is the object placed from the lens? So u is our question. So using the lens formula, 1 by v minus 1 by u is 1 by f. Therefore u is missing here. So 1 by u is 1 by v minus 1 by f. Taking this minus 1 by u on the right hand side and 1 by f on the left hand side. Therefore 1 by u is 1 by v means 1 by minus 10. So it will be minus 1 by 10, minus from the formula. 1 by f means minus 1 by 15, so it becomes plus here. Again 1 by u, LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. So 10 3s are minus 3 and plus 2. So it is minus 1 by 30. So therefore taking the reciprocal to both the sides, u is minus 30 centimeter. The answer is you have to place the object at 30 centimeter from concave lens. Simple. Question number 16. Find the focal length of a lens of power minus 2 diopter. So here the power is given minus 2 diopter, and we have to find the focal length. So we can use this relation. P is equals to 1 by f, so f is equals to 1 by p. Here f is missing, so f is equals to 1 by p, means it is minus 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 is half, so it is f is minus 0.5 meter. When the power is in diopter, focal length will be in terms of meter. 0.5 meter is half meter, so we can write f is equals to minus 50 centimeter. So the focal length is minus 50 centimeter. What type of lens it is? I think that we can say from the power only, because power is negative. So power negative means that lens should be concave. Focal length also is negative, so that lens should be concave lens. Last question, exercise question number 17. A doctor has prescribed a lens of power plus 1.5 diopter. So again here the power is given as plus 1.5 diameter. Find the focal length of the lens. Same question. F is missing here. So F is equals to 1 by P. So it is 1 by 1.5. Remove the decimals. It will be 15 by 10. 10 should be in the numerator. So it is 10 by 15. 5 2s are and 5 3s are. So focal length here is 2 by 3 meter. Focal length is 2 by 3 meter, so it should be 0.666, so 67 meter. It's nearly 67 centimeter. Because the focal length is positive here, we can say this lens is convex lens. Question is the prescribed lens is converging or diverging? Remember, converging means convex. Converging means convex and diverging means concave. So here the lens is converging. Okay friends, so here is the end of the chapter. Best of luck.